Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, today we have no extra puzzles in today's newspaper on Monday, March the 14th. Yes, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles uh, of the edition of last week. Last week, March the 7th, 2022. Because we have a couple of days, no extra puzzles. And the last additional that I have puzzles left is the Monday edition of March the 7th. Yes, 3 puzzles are left. Letter Sudoku, 3-star Sudoku, and the tectonic. And the first puzzle I will do is the letter Sudoku. Letter Sudoku. This will be number 4256. 4256. Before I start, I always count or print it. In this case, letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27 printed letters. If you compare with the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus, this will be a 1-star. But for a letter Sudoku, I need more time than the 1-star Sudoku. The 1-star Sudoku, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it will be difficult for the letter Sudoku, so 15 to 20 minutes I need to solve this Sudoku. And the goal is to solve this word in Dutch in this column, the second column. And the letters I can use are 9 letters. It's every time different, so it's more difficult than digits. Every time the digits are the same, 9 same digits. This is every time different, so you cannot do a double check. But the letters that we can use are the K, the R, the G, the N, the I, the M, the J, the S, and the A. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. How about? Two missing letters in this big square. For the letters, S is missing and A is missing. S and a A. We have a S there, no S there. S should be and a A goes there. Okay, so now we have an A in the first column, A in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the A should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letter is the A. We have an A in this row, so no A in these 3 boxes. Here and A in the last column. No A in those 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the A. Should be there. A in this column. A in the last column, so the column between only 2 places left for the A should be here or there. We see that A, no A there. A should be there. Then. Yeah, thinking. Right. K&M. I'm thinking. 4 missing letters in this big square. 2 of those missing letters are the K and the J. We have a K and a J in the last column, so no K and a J in these two boxes. The K and the J goes in those two boxes as a pair. K and a J, K and J. We have a J there, no J there. J should be here, and the K goes here. One box left in this column for the letter M. Two boxes left in this big square for the letters N and the M. We have an N there, no N there. N should be here, and the M goes there. Two missing letters in the last column for the letters R is missing. And the G is missing. We have a G there, no G there. G should be here, and the R goes there. Alright. Four missing letters in this big square. Two of those missing letters are the I and the S. We have an I and an S in this row. So no I and an S in these two boxes. The I and S goes in those two boxes. As a pair, I and S, I and S. We have an S there. No S there. S should be there. And the I goes there. So now we have two missing letters in this big square for the letters. K is missing and the J is missing. We have a J there, no J there. J should be here and the K goes here. K in the third column, K in the second column. So the first column, no, need two places left for the K should be here or there. We see the K, no K there, K should be here. K in this row, K in the row below. So the last row, the only two places left for the K should be here or there. We see the K, no K there, K should be here. K in this column, K in the middle column. So the column next, the only three places left for the K should be here, here, or there. We see the K, no K there, here, K, no K there. The only place left for the K should be there. K in this row, K in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the K should be there. And all the K's are used. I can see. Letter number one, letter K. Ooh, okay. One letter is missing in this row, the last row for the letter J. J is missing. Then J in the first row, J in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places left for the J should be here or there. We see that J, no J there. J should be there. Yeah. Then. How about? Three missing letters in this third column. Two of those missing letters are the I and the R. We have an I and an R in the first row, so no I and an R in this box. The I and the R goes in those two boxes as a pair. I and the R, I and the R. We have an I there, no I there. I should be here and the R goes there. So one letter is missing in the third column for the letter M is missing. So we have M in the third column, M in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the M should be there. Then G Hmm. Hmm. All right. All right. All right. All right. Yeah. 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 And we have the yeah. We have a pair. We have a pair. We have the M and R in this row, M and R in the middle row. So the row below, the only three places left for the M and R goes in these three boxes. But we have also here the M and R in this column. So no M and R in this box. The M and R goes in those two boxes. As a pair, M and R. Mr. Yes. Then. Thinking, I'm thinking. Mm-hmm. All right. Thinking. Come on. J, J. G in this row, G in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the G should be there. Two missing letters in this big square. For letters J is missing, and S is missing. J and S, J and S. We have a J there. No J there. J should be here, and the S goes there. Now we have two missing letters in the second column. Those missing letters are the I is missing and the R is missing. I and R. We have a R there. No R there. R should be here and the I goes there. So now we have solved this in 12 minutes. The Dutch word, it's krijgsman. In English, warrior. A warrior, yes. Okay, let me continue with this puzzle. Two missing letters in this row. For the letters S is missing and I is missing. S and I, we have a S there, no S there. S should be here. I goes there. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in letters in this big square. One of the missing letter is the G. We have a G in the middle column, so no G in these three boxes. Here, G in this row, so no G in those two boxes. So one box left for the G, should be there. G in the first row, G in the second row. So in the third row, only place left for the G, should be there. Now we have one box left in this third row for the letter S, I believe, yes. S is missing. Two missing letters in this big square for the letters. S is missing and the N is missing. S and N, S and N. We have a S there, no S there. S should be here and the N goes there. Alright, one box left in the second row for the letter I believe the I, yes, the I is missing. I. Two missing letters in this big square for the letters. A is missing and the N is missing. A and N. Let me mark those two boxes. A and N. Okay. Two missing letters in this big square for letters. S is missing and the N is missing. S and N. We have a S there, no S there. S should be here. The N goes there. One box left in this row for the letter. A is missing here. Yeah, A. Two missing letters in this big square for the letters. J is missing, and the M, no, the N is missing. J and N, J and N. We have a J there, no J there. J should be here, and the N goes there. Now we have an N there, so this box can be N anymore. That box should be an N, and this box should be an A. All right. 2 missing letters in this column for the letters. I is missing, and N is missing. I and N. I and N. We have an I there, no I there. I should be here, and N goes there. Ooh. 2 missing letters in this row. For the letters R is missing. No. We have R here. I believe the G is missing. And the M is missing. G and the M. We have a G there, no G there. G should be here, and the M goes there. Now we have M there, so this box can't be N anymore. That box should be an M, and this box should be an R. Final 2 letters in this big square for the letters R is missing, and the A is missing. We have a R there, no R there. R should be here, and the A goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve this puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle. A 2 stars puzzle. See you then. Bye-bye for now.